In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use custom fields in your project. Custom fields are a simple way to track the exact details your team cares about, from priorities and budgets to categories or key dates. They bring structure to your tasks and make reporting clearer and faster. Let's walk through the process together so you can set this up with confidence. First, open the project where you want to work. In the top right corner, click the Customize button. This is your control panel for tailoring the project to your needs. If you're working with a shared project and you don't see this option, you may need the right permissions from your workspace, but in most cases it's visible and ready to use. Inside the customization area, scroll down until you see Custom Fields. This is where all fields for the project are listed and managed. Click Add Field to start creating a new one. Think of this like adding a labeled column that will show up across tasks in the project. You'll now choose the field type. Text is great for short notes or labels that don't fit into a fixed list. Number works when you need measurable values like cost, hours, quantities, or story points. Dropdown is best for standardized choices such as priority levels, departments, or statuses, which keeps data clean and consistent. Date is perfect for milestones or checkpoints that are different from the task's main due date. Pick the type that matches how you plan to use the information so you get cleaner, more useful data later. Next, give your field a clear, specific name. Aim for something that everyone will understand at a glance, like budget estimate, client type, or review deadline. If you chose a dropdown, add the options your team will select from, keeping them concise and mutually exclusive to avoid confusion. For number fields, consider whether you'll track whole numbers or decimals and keep the units consistent in the name or description. Once your field is created, add it to your task so it's visible where work happens. Open a task in the project and you'll see the custom field ready to fill in. Enter a value, pick from the dropdown, or select a date depending on the type you chose. As your team updates tasks with this field, you'll be able to filter, sort, and scan information faster. That's it. With a few thoughtful choices, custom fields turn your project into a reliable source of truth for the details that matter most.